Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So if you watched my previous video, I am back and I am excited. I'm unboxing a Trendmood box. I haven't received one of these because every time I go to order one, they're sold out. So I was lucky enough to get this one, and it's a beautiful day outside. So I'm like, I'm gonna film outside. And of course, since it's beautiful, we have dog walkers, we have people on their side-by-sides, we just have everybody outside. So I might have to pause a lot, I'm not sure. So anyway, Trendmood has been knocking it out of the ballpark with what they have been putting in their boxes. And they've just been sold out. So I was lucky enough to get this one. And of course, I can't remember what the theme of this box was, but I remember they had some pretty good items in there. And look at how jam-packed this box is. It's got everything in there. And I have a ton of makeup, but the reason I ordered this one is because it's the gift giving season. So I'm just filling up baskets, and I just thought it's nice to put in some little treats. So how are you guys all doing? Getting ready for the holidays? And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to me already, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. And let's get started. The first thing in this box is by Sigma, and it's the Peach Pie eyeshadow duo. And it's very neutral colors, so this can go to anybody because it's so neutral. So that is a good brand. Happy to receive that. Oh my God, there is just so much in this box. And I wanted to say they gave like a $5 off coupon, and it was $50.55, but all that information will be listed below. The next thing is liquid powder eye tint by Ilia. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. And again, a nice neutral for eyeshadow. And again, great stocking stuffers, great for gifts. And this must be kind of a Sigma. I see a Sigma lip gloss, and the color is Idyllic. You guys have plans to go anywhere for the holidays? I know airports were crazy for Thanksgiving. And it's almost like the same color as the eyeshadow. But that is a pretty color, and that is something I can definitely use. And then we have something by Thrive, and pretty peachy color. Can't see it. It is lipstick, and it's a nice color. So this looks like a very nice neutral box. Did any of you get the Trendmood? I'm not going to open it, but that is the color. Never go wrong and have enough lippies. So yeah, I was gone and then I got behind in filming, so I'm gonna be filming like maybe 2 or 3 a day, so I've got the same clothes on. And then we have the Fable and Mane. Oh, it's a hair mask. I love any good hair products. So this is definitely, I'm not going to open it because I've got a couple open and I don't want to start the shelf life, but I want to smell it. But this is definitely a nice size. So that is 3, 4, 5 products so far, and I have a ton more to go. And then we have a She Glam, and this is a Powder Puff. And we have another She Glam, and this is a highlighter in Lunar Glow. I'm really surprised that I'm able to open all these boxes without ripping them apart. Oh, it's packaged so nicely, I don't want to take it out. Can you see that color? Try and get it out there. That's really pretty, and I'm going to leave it in the packaging because I might gift this. It's always nice to have little gifts hanging around the house. And then we have Elf Blue Tea Sleep Night Oil, and that's a nice size. And again, I'm not going to open it because I just don't want to ruin any shelf life on there. And then we have Palm Springs, and Palm Springs is Polite Pops Powder Blush Stick. Now I know these appear dark, and I have like the Jeffree Stars, and like I would put them on my hand and it's like there is no way that I could put that on, but by the time it rubs out, it comes out lighter. I'd be interested. This is what it looks like, and there's the color. So have any of you tried this to see, does it go on lighter or does it come up really orangey? Because you know, we're going to Cabo in February and I really want to pack light. So I'm trying to find just a few products that I can bring, you know, that are small like this. And then we have another She Glam, and this lady is, I don't know, because I can't read. This is an under eye setting. And let's see if I can get, oh, it's got a little sticky on there. So I'm filming this on a Sunday. Are you guys doing anything great on Sunday? Are you watching football? Do you have snow? Do you have rain? Okay. Oh my goodness, that was really a toughie to get open. It comes, this She Glam comes very nicely packaged. Oh my goodness. So they say this is for under the eyes. It's a pretty powder. Instant ready. Setting power duo. So maybe, oh, I see. So you can use maybe the top for under your eyes and then the bottom for your all over face. Now, I haven't heard of She Glam before, but I'm definitely anxious to try it. And I might get brave and try that blush. So next time I film, I'll let you know if I have it on, if it looked too much like a clown or if it actually worked. This box though is just filled with everything. And then we've got the card for the Thrive and all the colors that lip came in. And this is, I don't know. And it's definitely packaged good. So got stickers on both ends, so please forgive me. I said I've been out of the filming for so long. It's gonna take me a while. It's a perfume. Oh my God. So this is the box that the perfume came in. And look at the packaging. That is beautiful. Okay, we have a bee. As soon as I open a bottle of perfume, the bee's out. Now the trick is, and I love perfume. I'm a perfume, unless it's like really strong, then I won't keep it. But this looks like it's gonna smell clean. Maison Louis Marie No. 4. Now the bee's probably going to come out because I opened it. Oh my gosh. I think I'm liking it. I'm going to spray a little. So if I get swarmed by bees, come save me. I think I put too much on. I must say, this smells really good. It smells beachy. Oh, and it did say right on the front what it was, but I'm trying to avoid using my readers. Oh my God. I wish you can smell, because this smells like clean beach. Oh, it does smell really good. So just to recap, we got this perfume, and if you're a perfume person, this is really good. Then we have the e.l.f. Skin, I love this, Beauty Sleep Night Oil. And then we have the blush stick, and I'm gonna get brave and try it. I'm not sure what skin tone you're supposed to use it for, but I'm gonna try it. Then we got the She Glam, and it's a highlighter, and I'm looking to see if it's a double highlighter. Achieve a glow you can see all the way from outer space. And, oh no, this was the one. This is the Insta Ready face and under eye setting powder. So it is a duo for your face and under eye. And I can't wait to try that. And then we got a little powder puff that is, I bet you, for this guy. And then we've got this hair mask that I am definitely gonna use. We have the Thrive Lip Crayon. We have the Sigma, and we have a lip gloss and an eye gloss. And then the Sigma eyeshadow. What did you think? This was like a fantastic box. So if you're into this kind of product and you want to get your money's worth, but as soon as you sign up for their email notifications, you got to jump on it because they are sold out so quick. So please leave me comments. I'd love to get your comments, and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.